Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to share a preview on Squarespace step by step. Click on Settings from the home menu that's in your left sidebar or main dashboard. The settings panel will open with multiple options. Now scroll down until you see Site Availability and click on it. This opens a drop-down menu with 3 visibility options: Public, Private, and Password Protected. From that drop-down, select Password Protected. Once you do, you'll see a password field appear below. This setting hides your site from public view until someone enters the password. In the password field that just appeared, type the password you want visitors to use. When you type, you'll see dots instead of your actual text, and they might appear longer than what you typed. That's normal. Keep the password simple and memorable, something like Preview 2025, rather than a complex string. Passwords are case sensitive. Once you've entered your password, click the Save button at the bottom of the Site Availability panel. The panel will close, and your password protection is now active. Next, copy your site's public URL from the browser address bar at the top of your window. It'll look something like papayaapossum.axiphoron.squarespace.com. Don't copy the /config part at the end if you see it, or Squarespace will try to log you in instead. Finally, send that URL along with the password to whoever you want to share the preview with. Use email, message, whatever works for you. When they visit the URL, they'll see a password prompt, and once they enter the password, they can browse the whole site just like a public site, no account or login needed. Here's a useful tip: you can skip the manual password entry step by adding a question mark, password equals, then your actual password to the end of the URL. So, if your password is Preview 2025, the full link would be yoursite.squarespace.com password equals Preview 2025. Anyone who clicks that link goes straight to the site. To test how it looks to visitors, open your site in a private browser window, enter the password at the lock screen, and browse around. When you're ready to take the site public, go back to Settings, then Site Availability, switch from Password Protected to Public, and save.